Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Big Ty, back with another video. This video is a little bit different. I'm going to be talking about what's going on in my life right now and a little bit more about me. Hold on, let me adjust this camera. Alright, so first thing is, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. 29 years old. I'm a chef. I don't love being a chef. I don't love it anymore. I used to, but I don't no more. I have 3 kids, twin girls, 3 years old, son, not my biological son, but he's my son nonetheless. He's 5 years old, in school. I've been to college, dropped out, couldn't do it, you feel me? It's not for me. I'm the type of person that go out and make money for myself. So that's it. That's that. That's a little bit about myself. But what I'm really here to tell you guys is I've been wanting to do this YouTube thing for the past year. And I've been letting someone stop me. They didn't blatantly say not to do it. However, they are the reason I haven't done it yet. I'm a grown-ass man. I already know. 29 years old. But I was always told if you're in a relationship, everything that you choose to do has to be mutual. Mutual. That's not a fact at all. It's not a fact at all. I put that on everything. It's not a fact at all. I've been in an unhealthy relationship for every bit of the last 4 years. And I haven't been able to shake that shit, you feel me? I've been here for the kids and for everything that's not good to my health, you feel me? So now I'm doing this video so I'm held accountable. Right now, everything I do, and I'm looking at you guys right now, everything I do is for the betterment of myself and to put my children in a better place and in a better predicament. This is not to fulfill anyone else's dreams. This is not to make other people happy. Don't live your life by making other people happy when you're sitting there in a rut, depressed, can't get your mind straight to think, you feel me? You can't love your children right by not being healthy mentally. Yeah, you love them. You'll never let nothing happen to them. But you won't love them the way they should be loved. You feel me? And I realized that. I noticed that. And I'm not letting nothing stop me from posting on YouTube anymore. Never again. It's not happening. It's not happening at all. This relationship has taught me a lot. Yesterday I posted 3 videos of myself, my children, and the woman that I was with. However, I'm doing things differently now. I'm done helping people become their best self with I'm done helping people become their best self at the expense of me. You understand what I'm saying? So, Ty family, again, I'm going to reiterate this. Don't ever let anybody dictate to you what you should do with your life. What you should do with your life is up to you. Point blank, period. Point blank, period. You are your biggest hurdle. You're also your biggest fan. Do not believe that people are there to help you prosper. They're only out for themselves. And it's not all people, but 9 times out of 10, be leery about shit like that. I'm a real nigga. When I'm with my boys, I'm a totally different person. Because I can't be that person around my family. Because of the relationship I have been in for 4 years. That's changing. I'm going to be Tehran. As y'all know me, Ty. But my name is Tehran. I'm going to be that person. That's funny, that laughs. That's not edgy. In the sense of, I'm sorry. Let me rephrase that. Not edgy, but on edge all the time. I'm a happy nigga. Let's just be real. I'm a happy nigga. I'm a happy nigga. Sometimes you love things that aren't good for you. It's like a drug, man. It's just like a drug, man. I've seen people in my family, people I love and care about, my friends, fall victim to their addictions. And loving someone and giving your life to someone that always is trying to change you or really doesn't care, it's like an addiction. Mark my words, I'm dead ass serious. It's like an addiction. It's not healthy. You can't prosper. You cannot move forward. You know, I watch YouTubers like Tadaga, Black Charcoal, Pootie, DDG, Dub, and I look at all these dudes, man, and they real niggas, man. And they young, they hungry, and they not letting nobody stop them. I had that mentality before this relationship. That shit coming back. It's back, man. It's back. Fuck that. It's back. It's back. And I don't know if y'all ever watch my video, if you ever will, but fuck that. You gonna watch my video. And I want y'all to know that y'all are motivation. Yeah, I'm older than y'all. I'm 29 years old, or about to be 29 years old, December 14th. Y'all motivated me to get to this point. young rich niggas. DDG, that nigga, he know how to stunt on niggas without stunting on niggas. He reminded me of a younger me. Yeah, I'm a big nigga, but I can floss too. I used to be like that. That shit coming back. I'm done with all this other bullshit. You feel me? Shout out to them. One day I'll get to meet them. But I want y'all to know, Teron is here. Big Ty will be posting more vlogs, more sit downs. Eventually, I want to start doing Q&As and things like that. I'm here. I know some parts of this video are going to be cringy. But I want y'all to get the real feeling of me. Real feeling of Ty. I think that's it for right now. I'll be back with another video soon. It's your boy Big Ty.